Okay, guys, quick update for Bitcoin. I'm going to cover some key support resistance levels to pay attention to. I'm going to show you if price drops where I'm going to add to my short. And by the way, guys, so I put out a video yesterday. If you want to watch this video, I'll put a link up to it now. By the way, I was telling everyone to short around 27,600. But I did say that Bitcoin was a Ponzi. I got a lot of backlash for that, so I would like to apologize. I know that a lot of people got upset, and again, I'm sorry that you guys are unaware that Bitcoin is a Ponzi. If you go under Google and type definition of a Ponzi, see Ponzi scheme is a fraudulent investing scam that generates return for early investors with money taken from later investors. And again, what is an example of a Ponzi scheme? If you click that, Bitcoin pops up. So it's on Google, so it must be true. So if you don't like it, eat shit. All right, so anyways, go watch this video. I did tell you where to short. So what I want to point out, guys, and I've already posted this in Discord, I'm going to take a break from making videos for a little bit. I got some things I need to take care of, but I will be active in Discord. If you want to get access to all these live charts and Discord, the link to sign up is pinned in the first comment description. So I'm going to say this very low so nobody hears this. If the next daily candle opens below 27,000, I'm going to add to my short. I want to make sure I keep that down, so it's kind of just between you and me, guys. And the same thing here, you see on the G1 charts. We're currently holding 27,000, but if, again, daily candle, if it gets below 27,000, that's where I add to my short. If we do push up, guys, I'll add to my short. I mentioned that in the previous video, so do watch that video. Keep in mind, guys, the DXY is pushing up. If the DXY continues up, we're currently at resistance now at 102.59. If we can't get above this point and you start seeing the DXY come down to support around 101.61, then Bitcoin is going to push up. But if you see the DXY break above 102, guys, that means Bitcoin is coming down. If you do want to sign up for BitGet, the link's pinned in the first comment description. If you do use BitGet, you will need to use a VPN. I use NordVPN. I do have a no VPN option for you there, pinned in the first comment description as well. And again, if you want to sign up for the charts, the website is pinned in the first comment description. That's it, guys. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.